Hi, this is Chris at Orange Coast College's Art Department reviewing line weights for industrial style drawings. So for my subject, I just want to find something that's simple but has some pieces and parts. So I picked out this guy here. This is just our hot water heater for ramen in our studio here at OCC. And I'm going to set out to draw this. What I'm going to need, I've got a few pens here, some marker paper, and I did a setup sketch in a red color erase pencil. And I've got a little menu of what my pens should be able to give me as far as line weights. So let's begin. I'm going to start by putting my setup drawing under a sheet of marker paper and then getting my pens and menu of line weights out. And then start with the heaviest line weights. Now, the system I like to use is a balance of heavy line weights for big things and heavy line weights for close things. But when you're doing industrial design style drawings, everything is close. So we don't have to worry about that close and far very much. What I like to look for is the edges of things. So my overall silhouette, what's my thing and what's not the thing, is going to get the heaviest line. And then where pieces and parts overlap in space, that will get the next heaviest line. And then the edges of pieces and parts that aren't necessarily overlapping in space, but just next to each other, will get sort of those medium lines. And then the medium to thin are the lines that are just sort of turning the corner on a piece, somewhere where you've got an edge to your form. And it stays in the form, but it just kind of turns a corner. And finally, the thinnest lines go for the just details, textures, things that don't really inform us on the volume of the form. Once I'm done with the object itself, I can drop in a shadow. So that's what I'm going to do next here. And I just take the widest marker I've got and go ahead and drop a big black shadow. I could do that with a gray, but I've just got black markers with me here for this drawing. So let's make it nice and black. And then lastly, as a bonus, I've got my smallest, thinnest pen to drop some center lines on the X and Y axis. And this often is a technique that helps describe the form a little bit further. And it's real easy to do and part of that industrial design style. All right, now it's your turn. Find an object that's pretty simple but has some pieces and parts, and do some practice drawings to work on your technique. Good luck.